I'm Erin Harding with CleverBloom, and today I'm here with the Weekend Warriors, and we're going to show you how to make your very own hanging plant shelf. So today we are going to teach you how to make your very own hanging plant shelf. My husband and I made this one a while back, and I posted it on my Instagram account, and it became wildly popular. It was featured on websites like Huffington Post and BuzzFeed, and it also made an appearance in the book How to Raise a Plant and Make It Love You Back.
So what we have in front of us is a pile of wood that we bought at Parr Lumber Company. All it is 3 1x6 cedar fence boards and 3 2x2 cedar pickets that are 4 foot long. And essentially we're making this plant shelf 1 foot by 4 foot long, and we're cladding it with the cedar fence boards.
And it fits perfectly in front of a standard 3-foot window.
Yeah, absolutely. Like you see back here, it's hanging from the ceiling, and all of her beautiful plants are sitting on it, dangling down and getting all the sun. It looks really cool. So what I've done is I've went ahead and pre-cut all of the cedar to these lengths. The only tough part was the 1 cedar fence board we ripped in half. I had to do that on my table saw at home. If you don't have a table saw, you can always just buy 1x3 or 1x4 cedar and just cut that to length for the size, and you'll see what we mean in a minute. The first thing we need to do is take the 2x2 cedar pickets and build a frame. So I've cut 3 pieces to right around 8 inches, and these 2 pieces that are full length. So we'll lay those out and get those put together. We're gonna pre-drill this cedar with a drill bit that's slightly smaller than our screws so we don't split it. And we're just gonna pre-drill through the ends, right smack in the middle, where we're gonna meet and touch the other pieces. Just like that. And we'll go ahead, yeah, there we go. All right, perfect. Now if you want to do that side. All right, so now we're going to flip this on their sides, like that. All right, so we got this all laid out. We just need to screw it together. So for that, we're going to use some 3-inch long screws through the ends right where we pre-drilled. So if you want to hold that for me. Boom, nice work. Fantastic. So the next thing we need to do is put our fence boards on top of this.
You're in a little bit, is that what we want to do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a tiny bit. Make them look even.
And you actually are using full-size 5-foot fence boards. You didn't cut them down.
I did cut these down. I cut them, these were 6-foot fence boards that I cut down to 4 feet.
But you made the frame the correct width in order to not have to rip these down.
Exactly.
And leave a little bit of gap in the middle.
Correct. And now we just have to put the eye bolts in. Well, there it is. That looks absolutely phenomenal. I am so happy with how this turned out. I'm gonna put this up at my house if you don't mind.
No, it's really gorgeous. And what's really cool is you can mix and match different types of plants, but some really good hanging plants are like a pothos or a philodendron or something that just sort of trails down, and eventually everything will kind of grow in and start to cover all the nails and stuff, so it'll be really pretty.
It's important to note that we chose some heavy duty eyelets to put in here. We want them to hold 20 or 30 pounds a piece actually, so that we can put a lot of weight up here and not worry about it. It's also important that when you go to hang this from the ceiling that you get hooks that are also rated. You want to know how much weight they're going to hold as well. And make sure when you put it through the sheetrock into the ceiling that you hit the structural member behind, whether it's trusses or ceiling joists. You want to get it sunk in there, and then choose a good quality chain or cable, whatever fits the style of your home.
If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much to Erin from CleverBloom.
Thank you.
This has been another episode of Your Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show.
We'll see you next time.